you often feel overworked, overfunctioned, and underpaid? Well, you're not alone. Unfortunately, the only solution that our industry provides is to raise the prices. But sometimes for spiritually minded, giving entrepreneurs, it's really hard to do. So I created an online course called Money with the Soul that teaches you how to attract abundance to your business without selling your soul. In week 1, we're going to be learning how to create the value in your business idea, how to connect it instantly with your customers, how to solve the biggest problems of your customers, and eliminate competition right away while standing in your authentic power and bringing forth the talents and gifts that you have. In week 2, we're going to take a bunch of fun tests. You're going to know which business model works for you and which ones you should never even consider. We are going to know which sales and marketing techniques work very well with your personality and which ones you should really not even engage. That will make your life so much easier and your voice so much more powerful. In week 3, we're going to raise the value of your product. We're going to go deep into the psyche of your customer and find those pain points that only you can really solve for them through your unique gifts and talents. You're also going to have a bonus week with some cool techniques and strategies that will keep you on focus. So if you really want every single part of your business to align with your authentic self, so when you attract abundance, you never feel like you're selling your soul, sign up for my Money with the Soul online course, and in 3 weeks, stand in your power.